and welcome to Roadies Roam the World. This is our final Scotland video, and in this episode, we see mythical water horses, a modern engineering marvel, and explore a bit of Scotland's history.
Mateva Kelpies. I think I said that right. Good morning from the Kelpies. So this is the Kelpies. I'll be honest, this is a destination that Kit picked out, so I don't know a ton about them other than they're like mythical water horses.
Falkirk is home to the Kelpies. The only thing you need to know about the Kelpies is that they eat children. Yes, you heard correctly. The Kelpies are mythical water horses that appear on the banks of a river as a friendly pony, but once the child mounts the pony, they get stuck in the mane and the Kelpie drags the child into the water and eats them. However, if one can take hold of the Kelpie's bridle, they will not only take command of their mount, but will also have command of all Kelpies. Each Kelpie is said to have the strength of 10 horses. I'm thankful to have only learned about the Kelpies after I stood on the banks of many Scotland rivers throughout our travels. Our next site we visited was the Falkirk Wheel. This is a rotating boat lift and connects the Forth and Clyde Canal with the Union Canal. The Falkirk Wheel opened in 2002 as part of the Millennium Link project and connects these canals for the first time since the 1930s. The wheel raises the boat 24 meters high or 79 feet, but the Union Canal is still 11 meters higher than the aqueduct which meets the wheel. So the boat has to pass through a pair of locks between the top of the wheel and the Union Canal. The Falkirk Wheel is the only rotating boat lift of its kind in the world. We stayed to watch a boat get raised by the wheel out of the water, which took about a total of 7 minutes. The National Wallace Monument is located in Stirling, Scotland, and is the destination of one of our final stops in Scotland. If you have no idea who Sir William Wallace is, go back and watch Braveheart. I'm not saying this will be an accurate depiction, as most Scottish historians say this movie was dramatically romanticized from actual events, but at least you'll have an idea of who he is. The monument commemorates Wallace, who is a 13th and 14th century Scottish hero. If you visit, be prepared to walk up a steep hill with switchback paved paths. Then once you reach the monument, it's another 246 steps up a narrow winding staircase to the top. Inside the monument are a number of artifacts believed to have belonged to Wallace. This includes the Wallace sword, a 1.63 meter long sword, weighing almost 3 kilograms or 7 pounds. Also inside is a Hall of Heroes, a series of busts of famous Scots. The tower stands on the Abbey Crag, which is a volcanic crag above Cumbuskenneth Abbey. This is where Sir Wallace was said to have watched the gathering of the army of King Edward I of England just before the Battle of Stirling Bridge in 1297. This battle was in the First War of Scottish Independence. William Wallace and Andrew Moray ambushed the English by luring the men onto the weakened bridge, when it suddenly collapsed and killed around 5,000 English soldiers by the device of the River Forth. You can easily view this site from the observation deck.
Hi, we are at the top of the William Wallace Monument. It was a little bit of a climb to get here, and then I'm not sure how many stairs we climbed to get all the way to the top, but it was a lot. I had to catch my breath before I got on video. And then we get to go back down the same way we came up, and it's a really narrow, winding staircase. So up was not bad. Down might be a little bit more scary, but we'll make it. All right.
Seeing the rebuilt Stirling Bridge from the tower was great, but we decided we wanted a closer look. Our trip took a total of 11 days, and we drove over 1,300 miles all over the Scottish countryside. We hope you've enjoyed our travel vlog Scotland series and hope it will help you in your future travels.